The journey begins here. Millions of discarded tires, waiting for a second life. Massive transport brings them inside. Time to break them down.
Dirt and rocks are shaken loose as they move down the line.
Into the shredder. There is no escape from these massive steel teeth.
Steel belts snap. Rubber is torn apart. Sparks fly as the shredder does its brutal work.
No matter how tough the tire, it is reduced to chunks in seconds.
What comes out is a coarse mix of rubber and torn steel.
The rough chips head into the secondary granulator for a finer cut.
Spinning blades chop the rubber down to pebble-sized granules.
Powerful overhead magnets extract every single wire, separating steel from rubber entirely.
Pure, wire-free crumb rubber flows smoothly, ready for the next phase.
Another pass reduces the crumb down to an absolute powder.
The material is smoothed out, uniform in size and density.
A vibrating mesh ensures only the perfect-sized pieces make the cut.
The precision is absolute. Nothing too big escapes.
Now, the real alchemy begins. Into the roaring furnace.
Extreme heat melts the rubber, transforming solid black into glowing embers.
The molecular structure breaks down, leaving a rich, dark sludge.
Like thick, molten lava, the reconstituted rubber is extruded, heavy and dense.
It flows down the chute, a glossy, hypnotic cascade of black.
The liquid rubber is poured into precise molds to form heavy industrial pads.
It settles perfectly, capturing a glossy mirror finish.
Steaming hot, the molds head into the cooling chamber to cure.
Rapid cooling solidifies the block.
Emerging from the mist, the liquid has become solid rubber.
The final step, immense pressure to forge its shape and strength. Flawlessly stamped, a highly durable industrial mat is born.
Robotic arms stack the finished mats seamlessly, ready for shipping.
From discarded waste to perfect industrial utility.
But what about the steel? It has its own fiery destiny.
High-pressure jets blast away any remaining rubber, cleaning the wires thoroughly.
Washed and rinsed, the steel reveals its true silver gleam.
Industrial fans blast the wire dry in a hurricane of air.
Clean and dry, the scrap is fed directly into the belly of the beast.
Plunging into liquid fire, the metal reaches its melting point instantly.
At over 1,500 degrees, solid wire becomes a glowing ocean of steel. The furnace opens. A river of liquid steel pours forth.
It moves like water, but burns like the sun.
Collected into massive ladles, the steel is prepared for casting.
The molten metal is poured into ingot molds, shaping its future form.
A synchronized symphony of fire and industry.
Quenching hits fast, shocking the steel to solidify.
A cooling crust forms, masking a core still blazing with heat.
The monolithic block moves forward to be forged. Heavy presses slam down, squeezing the steel into its ultimate shape.
Blow after blow, the metal yields to raw mechanical power.
Strengthened and refined, the glowing ingot continues its path.
An endless procession of forged strength, rolling down the line.
High-pressure blasts strip away the oxide scale, perfecting the surface.
Heavy grinders polish the cooled ingots, revealing pure, solid steel.
The transformation is nearly complete, raw and rugged.
Massive crane tongs lift the solid ingots, ready to be stacked.
Stacked high, these solid steel blocks are heavy and immaculate.
Bundled together, the recycled steel prepares for its final destination. Bundled together, the recycled steel prepares for its final destination. Bundled together, the recycled steel prepares for its final destination.